What's good, everybody? It's your boy, Retro World, and I'm here today to show you guys how to gain subscribers. I'm shouting y'all out today. I don't think this never been done before, man. And only thing y'all have to do is one thing. But for those that's not interested in making a YouTube channel and just want to have like conversation to start with, you're bored on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, whatever night it is, and you just want to start up a conversation. You just want to build with your community, like with the people around you. Y'all want to get engaged, man. Just strike a topic in the comments. Just for example, what y'all think about the whole Will, Jada, August Alsina thing, Like, tell me about, your COVID experience. Like, how has it been? Have you been keeping away from people? Have you been inside all day? Or you just the type of person that just don't care? You just been out and you just trying to have fun, man. Just strike up anything, man. But for those that are trying to make a YouTube channel, please stay in tune, because this is very important for y'all, because I'm shouting y'all out for free today. And I'm choosing 3 people. Matter of fact, it don't even matter the fact that I chose 3 people, because y'all still gonna get y'all shout outs. Y'all still gonna get recognition, because the comment sections will be jumping. I guarantee that. All I'm asking you guys is to get the video to 200 likes. In order to do this, I'm gonna need y'all to get the video to at least 200 likes. That's not even a lot. Get the video to 200 likes. Once you get to 200 likes, I want you guys to shout out your channel. Shout it out. Let me know what it is. And the person with the most likes on it, I will shout you guys out on my next video, because I like to get engaged with my audience. I reply back to mostly every single comment on here. So if you want some little recognition, just drop it down below and I got you, because that's the type of person I am. And if you want any other information, you want to DM me, you want to see how I got the subscribers I got right now, you can DM me on Instagram at Young Birdie. I'll drop it down below. Y'all see it anyways. I'm making a video at the moment, but I will put it down for you guys to see my Instagram. But we just trying to build a community hey man, just please comment down. Whatever you feel, we just want all positive vibes, man. And check out my videos from before. I got plenty of content. I just started and I'm doing pretty good, if you actually say so myself, man. I got other videos, but this is what I want y'all to do for the YouTubers. I'm gonna choose 2 for this video who got the most likes, comments, whatever. And then I want y'all to pick a random video. This is the person that's gonna get shout out the most. I want y'all to pick a random video and y'all comment something nice, and then like the video, and then shout out y'all YouTube channel. And that's the person that's gonna get the most recognition. Well, I'm gonna give y'all all recognition, but he gonna get a little special, or she gonna get a little special treatment. Yeah, man. But for the people that's bored on the Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday night, and they just wanna conversate, just drop your comments down below, man. That's what we doing here today, man. We just trying to build a community, and I'm just trying to help you guys out. Y'all bored, y'all don't have nobody to talk to, y'all don't have nothing to do. Y'all can always remember this channel and be like, hey, I remember the one guy said, just strike up conversation, get our little chat on. Now look, we got everybody communicating with each other, man. We got everybody liking each other's comments, communicating back, shouting out their YouTube channels. And I'm trying to put on a whole different platform for y'all, man. Just subscribe to the channel first. That's the first thing y'all should be doing. But like I said, I don't really get too touchy. I like everybody. I don't care if you're white, green, yellow, purple, indigo, blue. I don't care. I love everybody, and I want to see everybody succeed. So I just need to love and a like. Matter of fact, drop a like for y'all self. Just like it up and make sure y'all do that. Y'all just don't start conversations on this video. I want y'all to do it for all the other videos I dropped. And I think I dropped like 7. I believe it's 7. I don't know. But this is a new trick to help people, you know, boost up their status. Y'all don't even have to, if y'all not even into YouTube, you could drop your Instagram. We'll just do an Instagram too, or Facebook. It don't matter. But we just want to have people engaging and building the community today. But most of all, shouting out YouTubers, putting y'all on the platform, helping y'all out, because I'm a good person and I like helping people out. But like I said, baby, just try to get it. Man, I think we can get it. I think we can go past 200. We can blow past that. With this video alone, I'm trying to tell you, this is gonna be something new. I don't think it's never been done before. Like I said, we finna try this experiment. I'm shouting out 3 channels. And I might just shout out the person who don't even got a channel. Whoever got the most engagement in the conversation, I'll shout you out too. How about that? So we're gonna shout out 4 people. Even the person that don't even got a YouTube channel. Whoever got the most likes, comments, whatever. And like I said, for that one special person, it ain't gonna be for this video. You gotta do it on another video. Not this one. But I definitely will shout y'all out. I definitely will help y'all in a way. It ain't just helping me. We trying to build a community and we just trying to have somebody to get laughs. So my channel is about laughing. It don't have no boundaries on my channel. I do whatever my audience wants. So y'all can put that down. Please drop down a topic for me to do in my videos, because I have plenty of videos that I do that I already dropped. I have good content that I already dropped. If y'all want to laugh, if y'all want to drop another topic, y'all want to engage in something else, or even if you don't like something, but hey, Retro, hey, I don't like how you did this. Maybe you should come like this. And I'll take consideration to that, man. And like I said, man, I'm here for y'all. Just want y'all to be here for me. I know this is a crazy ad, but I'm glad y'all stuck to the end of the video to watch this, man. This is crazy that y'all stuck around, man. I really feel like I'm engaged to you. Yes, you, the person that's watching, you. And all I want y'all to do is like it. I already know right now you like, man, that's pretty cool. And I think you pretty cool too. Now just let me know who you is and just comment. That's all I'm asking. If we get this video to 200 likes, man, I feel like we could break the bank. I don't feel like we could go more than 200 likes, but that's just the start, man. And we finna be a community today, and it's finna start today. Just strike it down below. The most thing to do is y'all subscribe and comment, and I'll guarantee anything y'all say, I'll try to make it happen. Matter of fact, it's a 99% chance that I will make it happen, as long as it ain't crazy, you feel me? But it's your boy, Retro World, and now I'm gone.
Now if I can just stay focused, I am a beast, you already know this. Time to go off, leveling up, time to live like a boss. I done took loss after loss, blood stains like spaghetti sauce. Yeah, I am the illest. If you heard different, then homie, it's false. You a liar.